channel. Ito naman tayo, kakain naman tayo. Ito yung banana sagu. Yan. Saka may gatas dito at saka gatas milk. Ito pala, sorry, milk at saka sagu. So, i-mix mo lang to at saka ito. Ito sa bowl. Okay. Mix. Yan. Donald 710. Yan. Yan. Gusto. Milk. Mix with milk. So, ganun yan. Yan. Sarap yan. Meron tayong iced tea. So, iced tea. Yung TV natin, binaba ko. Galing dito. Yung leg ko, nasakit. Stiff neck leg. Naka-stiff neck yung neck ko. Stiff neck because of watching television. Yeah, put it down over there. Huge screen. Okay. Shut out muna tayo before we're gonna have shut out first before eating. It's blue. Iba ko lang tong camera. Yan. Next ko nga ito yung office chair na binigay ng anak ko. Yan. Sikanhan na to. Pero maganda pa rin. Nabili niya sa Shopee, mga 3K yan. Pero mayroon siyang bago. Yan. Kaya binigay yung old chair niya. Moment. Yan. Kunting shout out mo. Shout out muna tayo guys. Before mukbang. Shout out muna guys. Yung ikaw ang moment may ubo tayo. Baso lang. Yan. Shout out mo natin si Ma'am Shen. Okay. Ma'am Shen Music Piano Salon. Not music, piano salon. Palaging nagkakamali. Yan. Fokus na rin, fokus. Yan. So, Shen Piano Salon, shout out. Pumalo na ng yung kanta niyang Hey Jude, almost 600 na ito. So ito nang yung kanta niyang Hey Jude. So, almost 600 views na. So, good guys. Good work guys. Yung nanonood ha. Salamat. Ito rin yung La Campanilla. Pumalo na rin ng 555 views yata. Good work guys. Thank you very much for watching. Yan, shout out natin. Ito ba, shout out natin. Let's have a shout out. So ito nang kita natin 20.28 as of April 7. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you Lord. Then ano to, yung membership natin. Shout out tayo sa itong bagong member, ito si Drone, new member, Drone for Life. Yan, shout out Drone from Life. Yan, Drone from Life pala. Paano ba ito magkikita? So shout out din sa ating first member, si Ma'am Fatima Shahida. So welcome Drone from Life, and si Ma'am Shahida is na-welcome ko na yan. Shout out sa inyo. Saka kain man tayo. Ito na. Focus natin. Masarap ito. Ito ay luto ng anak ko. Magaling yung anak ko magluto. Tama. Meron pa lang itong ice. Nakuhaan, nag-melt. Sarap talaga. May itong ice sana. Sige lang. Next time lang I will put some ice on this. It's banana, boiled banana and sagu. This ingredient is mostly you can see it in halo-halo. Yeah. It's a sweet. Sagu. I-google niyan lang. Hindi ko alam ang kan. Thank you for watching. Shout out to me.